One of the best things to pair with hot garlic honey must be fried chicken. So I'm making pickle brine wings. I'm going whole wings, so simply cover them with pickle brine.
Gotta have the zuccatos.
And leave them in the fridge at least an hour, but if you have time, you can go overnight. It's worth it. When your rings are ready, heat up some frying oil. I'm using peanut oil, and mix the dredge. Some AP flour, paprika, and black and white pepper. Dredge the wings by pressing them into the flour mix and do not miss any bare spots. I've tried dripping some of the brine into the flour to create some lumps that will become very crispy when fried. When all the wings are coated with the flour, leave them on a rack for 20 minutes so the dredge can stick to them. And then deep fry for 7 to 10 minutes at 175 Celsius. I do not have an oil thermometer, so mine was a little too hot, but they turned out great. As soon as you pull them out of the oil, heat them with a pinch of salt and let them rest for a few minutes. Serve them with some pickles, a lemon wedge, and a good drizzle of your fermented honey. I mean, you can't go wrong with fried chicken, but this is some next level shit.